EPS teleclass.
Assalamu alaikum. This is DPS Teleclass. Again, Salem Miss is here to present a math lesson for grade 3 students. Before going for the lesson, let's recite the dua.
رب اشرح لي صدري ويسر لي أمري واحلل عقدة من لساني يفقه قولي رب زدني علما.
Today what you are going to learn is doubling and halving. So let's read the learning intention and the success criteria. Learning intention. Today we are going to learn how to double and half the numbers. Success criteria. You will be successful if you can write doubles of multiples of 5 up to double 100 and corresponding halves and able to write halves of given numbers. Do you know what is doubling and halving? Very good. Double is to multiply by 2 or to have 2 of something. Example, double 3 is 6. Halving. Halving is to divide or split into 2 equal parts. Example, half 4 is 2. Strategies used in doubling and halving. We simply halve one of the factors and double the other. We can use the partition method to work out the answer. We can use number square to find doubles, or else we can use number line. Can you find doubles of these little birds using a number line? First we need to find 5 from the number line. Then we have to move forward 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, which end to 10. That means if we add 5 more bars here, we get 10. The double of 5 is 10. Can you find the double of these bees using a number scale? Tell me, how many bees are there? Yes, there are 4 bees, which means we need to count 4 more times. Let's count. We will start counting from, yes, 5. 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we have counted 4 times, which ends to 8. So if we add 4 more bees here, we get 8. The double of 4 is 8. Can you find half of 10 birds using a number line? How can we find? Yes, we need to count backward. First we need to find 10. Here is 10. Now we need to move backward. 1, 2, 3. Let's count whether we get half or not. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do we get half of 10 birds? No, right? Let's move backward more. 4, 5. Let's count again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, which means if we take 5 birds from here, we get 5 birds. So, half of 10 is 5. Can you find the half of these rabbits using a number scale? How can we find half of these rabbits using a number scale? Yes, here we need to count backward. So at first we need to find how many rabbits are there. So tell me how many rabbits are there? Yes, there are 6 rabbits, which means we need to count backward from 6. 6, 5, 4. So how many rabbits are remaining now? Yes, 3 rabbits. So if we take 3 rabbits from here, we have 3 rabbits. So the half of 6 is 3. Video time. Let's watch a video from which we will learn more about doubling and halving. Let's go for more examples. So, can you help this old dwarf to partition this number, which is 49? So, 49 is a two-digit number, which means we need to partition this into ones and tens. Can you tell how many ones are there? Yes, there are 9 ones. And how many tens? There are 4 tens, which means 40. So 49 is partition into 40 and 9. Can you find the double of these bunnies using this number scale? Yes, we can find this, right? So, what we need to do here is we need to count forward, right? At first, we need to find how many bunnies are there. So, tell me how many bunnies are there? There are 7 bunnies. So, we need to start counting from 8 because 7 is already there. So, how much more we need to count forward? Yes, we need to count forward 7 more times. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, what we get? Yes, we got 14, which means if we add 7 more bunnies to here, we get 14. The double of 7 is 14. Can you find the double of 25? Yes, we can find, right? But first I am going to partition the number 25 into ones and tens. So can you tell how many ones are there? Yes, there are 5 ones. And how many tens are there? There are 2 tens. Can you find the double of 20 using this number grid? So how you are going to find is count down the rows in tens. So first I am going to find the number 20. 20 to 30, 30 to 40 is 2 tens. So it's 40. The double of 20 is 40. Now can you find the double of 5? So how we are going to find is count 5 more rows. So 5 to 6, 6 to 7, 7 to 8, 8 to 9, 9 to 10. We get 10. So double 5 is 10. Now can you count 10 from 40? Yes, 40, 50, which means 40 plus 10 is equal to 50. The double of 25 is 50. Half in the doubles gives you the starting number, so half of 50 is 25. Double of 25 is 50 and the half of 50 is 25. Please help this little bird to find the double of 40. So first I am going to partition the number into ones and tens. So how many ones are there? There are 0 ones. And how many tens? There are 4 tens. Can you find the double of 40 using this number grid? Yes, what you need to do is count down the rows in tens. So from 40 we are going to count down 4 more tens. So 40 to 50, 50 to 60, 60 to 70, 70 to 80, which means the double of 40 is 80. Can we find the double of 0 here? No, right? So double 0 is 0. The double of 40 is 80, right? The half of 80 is 40. In this way, you can find the doubles and halves of multiples of 5. Assessment of learning. First, partition. Second, double the number using number scale. Third, add the answer. Fourth, you will get double. And fifth, half the double. Summary. We learn to find doubles and halves of numbers by number line, number scale and partition method. Quiz time. Can you help this cute little dwarf to choose the correct answer? Yes, we can help, right? Question number 1. Double of 22. So here is the answers. 24, 42, 44, 34. Which is the correct answer from here? Yes, 44. The double of 22 is 44. Question number 2. Double of 30. Here is your answers. 40, 30, 65 and 60. So from here, what is the correct answer? Yes, the correct answer is 60. So the double of 30 is 60. Question number 3. Can you tell the half of 100? The given answer is 200, 50, 70 and 100. So, what is the correct answer from here? Yes, the half of 100 is 50. Question number 4. Half of 30. The given answers are 16, 20, 35 and 15. So, can you tell the half of 30? Yes, excellent. The half of 30 is 15. Task of the day. Do the work on your mathematics notebook and write the date. Remember to do all the works neatly. Task 1. What you need to do here is write double of multiples of 5 up to double 100 and corresponding halves. Example, double of 5 is equal to 10 and half of 10 is equal to 5. Here is how you need to do it. You need to find double of 10 to 100. Task 2. Write the half of given numbers below. So, example, half of 16. What you need to do here is you need to partition the number into ones and tens. So, after that you need to half the ones and half the tens. So, half of 10 is 5 and half of 6 is 3. So, 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. Like this you need to do the following numbers. Wassalamu alaikum. Thank you students. Stay safe. Stay home. Don't forget to wash and sanitize your hand.
EPS Teleclass